Welcome to your English online class, students. Today we are going to study about adverbs. Adverbs are the words that tell something about a verb. Verbs are the action words, okay? So adverbs defines or adds something more about the action words. Like it tells that how the action is taking place, or where the action is taking place, or when the action is taking place. Okay, basically, you are listening. Okay, so this you are listening. What work is going on? Listening. Listen. This is the verb here. Now, if I add something to it that you are listening attentively. So, how you are listening? Attentively. Okay. Now, can you just identify this word attentively? How do we get this word attentively? It is, I said, attentively. Okay, attentive formed by adding ly to this word attentive. Okay, and attentive is an adjective. Okay, like this is a very attentive boy. He remains very attentive in class. So attentive is an adjective because it tells about a noun. Okay, it tells about a person, like how the person is. Now, if we add ly to this adjective attentive, then it becomes an adverb. Okay. So this becomes, when we add ly to an adjective, then that makes adverb of manner. Okay, because it tells that how the action is taking place. Okay. For example, nightingales sing very sweetly. So nightingale sings very sweetly. So how the nightingale sings? Sweetly. So the word sweet is an adjective, and when we add ly to it, it becomes an adjective. And it tells how the action is taking place, which becomes the adverb of manner. Okay, so one thing which you have learned right now, that when we add ly or ily to an adjective word, it defines that how the action is taking place. Okay, like you are getting my voice clearly. So how my voice is coming to you? Clearly. So clear is an adjective, and we have added ly to it, so it becomes an adverb. Similarly, now adverb of place. Adverb of place tells that where the action is taking place. For example, children are playing outside. Okay, so where the children are playing? Outside. Okay, or where you are sitting inside of your home. So these words like outside, inside tells that where, give the answer of where. Okay, so means where the action is taking place. This inside, outside, here or there. Okay, so such words which define that where the action is taking place are the adverb of place. Okay, and words like here, outside, inside tell that where the action is taking place and are the adverb of place. And adverbs of time, actions, those words which tells that when the action is taking place. For example, we are studying English now. So now, when we are studying English now, so this now word tells that when the action is taking place. Is it taking place now, or late, or early, or soon? Okay, or tomorrow. Okay, these such words which define that when the action is taking place, the time of the action, when the action is taking place, are the adverbs of time. Okay, so adverbs can be of three types: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, and adverbs of time. Adverbs of manner, in adverbs of manner we add ly or ily to the adjective words. Okay, and it defines that how the action is taking place. And to the adverb of place, such words which define that where the action is taking place, where the action is happening. Okay, so the place, that is because where means place. Okay, so it tells adverb, it becomes an adverbs of place, like here, outside, inside. Okay, and the word which tells that when the timing, when the action is taking place, when the action is happening. So that those words are become adverbs of time. Okay, like tomorrow, soon, early, late. Okay, these words are adverbs of time. So there can be three types of adverbs: adverbs of manner, in which we add ly or ily to the adjective word, which defines that how the action is taking place. Okay, like I am speaking loudly. So loud is an adjective, and if I add ly, so it becomes an adverb. Okay, and adverb of place, that where the action is taking place. Okay, is it here, outside, far? He is standing far away from me, or did he? I have this book is near to me. Okay, or such things tells adverbs of place. Okay, or adverbs of time, that when the action is taking place. Is it tomorrow, yesterday, soon, early, late? Such words are adverbs of time. So let's now solve the book exercises of adverb topics. Underline the adverbs in the sentences. So first of all, you identify the verb in a sentence, and then nearby it you will get the adverb. The children played merrily in the garden. Here, played is a verb, and which word is telling more about this action, played? How the playing is going on? Merrily. The children played merrily. So merrily becomes an adverb. He jumped into the pool quickly. So what action is going on? Jumped. How the action has been taken place? Quickly. So quickly becomes an adverb. I brush my teeth daily. So brush is a verb. How the brush is done? Daily. The mother cradled the child lovingly. How the mother is cradling the child? Lovingly. So lovingly becomes an adverb. The thieves entered the house quietly. So the verb is entered. How they are entering? Quietly. So now you see that these words are telling that how the action, how the verb happened in this sentence. The birds chirped noisily on the branches of the tree. How they are chirped? Noisily. The robber hid the jewels carefully. How he hid the jewels? Carefully. So it becomes an adverb. Now here in this exercise you have to form adverb by adding ly or ily to these words, and you have to complete the sentences by choosing the correct word or suitable word. She smiled dash at everyone. Now find the suitable word from this help box and add ly or ily. Okay. Mostly we add ily to that adjective word which ends with y. Okay, so we remove y and we add ily. Now she smiled gently at everyone. Gentle will become gently. The snake crawled in through the window. How the snake will crawl through the window? Which word will suit to it? Slowly. Yesterday it rained. Heavy will become heavy. Now here it ends with Y. So we will remove Y and we will add ILY. The soldiers fought dash for their motherland. Brave. The word brave will become bravely. The phone rang. Repeated. If this word suits here, so we will make it an adverb by adding ly. So it will become repeatedly. She patted the cat. How will she pat the cat? Sweetly. Dash, he dropped the book from his hand. We can say suddenly. Suddenly, he dropped the book from his hand. She decorated her house dash. Beautiful. Beautiful will become beautifully. He shouted dash at the boy. How the person shout? Loudly. So loudly. The sun was shining dash in the sky. Bright will become brightly. Now that's how you have learned that we can convert an adjective by adding ly to an adverb. So adjective becomes an adverb when we add ly or ILY to it. Do more practice of the exercise, and if you have any query, then send me your queries on e-feedback. Thank you.